Hello, what's up? Today I'm on my way to Indonesian restaurant located here in Seoul, South Korea. And the name of the restaurant is called City Sarah, which is named after the owner's daughter. A very interesting name, I don't know what it means. But this restaurant specializes in Indonesian food. This food you can find it mainly on Indonesian street. It's my first time, I've never tried any Indonesian food. And I can't wait to show you what they have in there. So I will see you. It is so hot outside that the first thing I did when I entered here was to get some water to cool myself down. The first meal I have here is called Nasi Goreng, which literally translates to fried rice. So what I have here is Indonesian fried rice, and man, it smells amazing. So it's just a bunch of vegetables like carrots, corn, green beans, and some other vegetables that I'm not sure what they are. I think they are only found in Indonesia. And aside that, there is fried crispy onion on top as a dressing. There is also egg in here and some meat. And the fried rice has a dark brown color. I believe it's because of the sauce, which is, if I'm right, maybe soy sauce, sweet soy sauce. Wow. It's very sweet and tasty. It's kind of like a little bit salty. I believe it's because of the soy sauce. It's amazing, man. Wow. So it has this pleasing flavor. I'm not sure what kind of flavor it is, but it's amazing. Wow. This is amazing. I really like this fried rice. It's amazing. It's very tasty. Another thing I have on my plate is chili sauce, Indonesian chili sauce, which is called sambal or samala. I'm not very sure. So I'll get some rice with the chili. Amazing. That chili sauce is spicy. I love it that way. And aside the spicy flavor, there is also spices flavor in there. I'm not sure what spices, but it tastes kind of like herbs. It's amazing. Wow. I love it. And the chili, man, I love spicy food, so that was a bonus. The next one I have here is stir-fried noodles, which is very popular in Indonesia and as well as Malaysia. And in Malay language, it's called Mie Goreng, which literally translates to fried noodle. And man, it also has a dark brown color. I believe there is soy sauce in there. I'm not very sure. And it also has some crispy fried onion on top. It has chili sauce on the side. There is 2 slices of cucumber here, and there is slice of tomato also here. And I also have some carrots, same vegetable that was in the fried rice is also here. There is corn, there is carrot, there is green beans. It's amazing. It's amazing. take a chunk of that with some crispy onion. Amazing. It's amazing. So this noodle is not the normal noodle that you can find anywhere, like the Indomie noodle or the ramen noodle. This is a very special noodle. It is quite thinner than the normal noodle, and it's also very firm. Even though it's very well cooked, but it's still firm, kind of like it's amazing. I love it. So it's not spicy, so I'll take some chili sauce and put it on there. So good when it's spicy. So good, man. This is amazing, guys. I really want to know what is in that chili, man. I love the flavor in there. It's amazing. It's amazing. I've never tasted any chili sauce that tastes like this. I love the flavor in here. And when you mix it with the noodle, oh man. That was an amazing meal. I enjoyed every bit of it. I highly recommend these two meals for you. It's called Nasi Goreng and Mie Goreng. They are all amazing food, man. I actually got a takeout. I'm going to continue in the house. This is where I end today's video. If you enjoyed it, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.